For millennia, mankind feared electricity until a few magicians came along. These include Michael Faraday, who from humble beginnings as the son of a blacksmith, discovered the link between electricity and magnetism. Through clever experimentation, he uncovered electromagnetic induction, the key principle behind transformers, motors, and generators. This laid the groundwork for the practical use of electricity. James Maxwell was a math whiz who built upon Faraday's work. By developing the underlying equations of electromagnetism and how waves carry energy, he further unlocked this mysterious force, and on the side also invented color photography. And then there's my favorite, Nikola Tesla, who not only pioneered the alternating current system that powers our homes today, but he also developed key theories and inventions for wireless power. Tesla, more than any person before or since, envisioned a future revolutionized by electricity. The discoveries of these men and many others has illuminated our lives, informed us, entertained us, enabled us to connect to anyone, anywhere, at any time. And the wonders continue. Today, electrification is revolutionizing transportation and enables us to carry supercomputers around in our pocket. But what is that next big breakthrough that will rock this world? Phone cases, of course. At least that's what we thought in 2014 when our company, Nikola Labs, spun out from The Ohio State University. Our initial product concept was a phone case that captured wasted radio frequency emissions from the phone and converted it into extra battery life. Now, in the end, this case was not our future, but the core technology it contained is, and it is the key to electricity's next great act: the practical transmission of electricity without wires. Our technology conveys usable power up to distances of 30 feet under today's regulatory environment. Wireless power is the right technology at the right time in that it solves the power problem of the Internet of Things. And it is why a partnership between Nikola Labs and the cable industry can change the world. We're entering a future where sensors will surround us, capturing critical data that helps us to lead healthier, smarter, and more efficient lives. But these sensors have a power problem. Running wires to them is impractical and expensive, and wireless battery-powered sensors eventually die. But wireless power overcomes these challenges, which enables TV remotes that never need their batteries changed, security sensors that live perpetually, wireless headphones and fitness bands that are always ready when you are, and so much more. Nikola Labs wireless power is here today, so let me show you. In my hand, I'm holding our demonstration card that includes an antenna that will capture radio frequency at 2.4 gigahertz, and then our system that converts that into electricity and to charge a battery. Now, we have miniaturized this system down to one single chip, which is about 3.5 millimeters by 5 millimeters, to truly make it scalable. On this table back here, I have a wireless transmitter similar to a Wi-Fi router, and it's putting out a signal at 2.4 gigahertz. Again, the same power output as a Wi-Fi router. Now, typically, you would use the electricity that we stream wirelessly to charge batteries, but in this case, I'm lighting up these LEDs. So as you can see in front of your very eyes, you have electricity going from the transmitter converted to radio frequency, sent to this card that captures that radio frequency and converts it into electricity. You have power from point A to point B without wires. But we face our own chicken and egg problem at Nikola Labs. These receiving IoT devices need transmitters in homes to receive power and to stay charged. And transmitters are only really valuable if there is a network of receiving devices to be charged. But this challenge is also a great opportunity where we can work with partners, ideally those that are already present in millions of homes and businesses around the world. Sound familiar? Well, we actually can't think of a better partner than you. Together, we can deploy wireless power transmitters and complementary smart home receiving products to create the future Nikola Tesla foresaw and fulfill the potential and promise of the Internet of Things. In 10 years, Mark will be sitting in his living room with a tiny medical implant inside his body because he is genetically predisposed to leukemia. This cancer prevention implant will last for years to ensure this ugly disease does not rob his life. But it will only be able to last for years because of the wireless power network in his home that allows the implant to capture and harvest radio frequency to stay charged. I want this near future, this better place, to be real because of this moment and the weeks ahead where we choose to collaborate to deliver wireless power to the masses, where we choose to harness radio frequency not just for communications, but for power. Wireless power will revolutionize our lives, and if we act now, then together we can own the future of the smart home and the Internet of Things. We're Nikola Labs, and we would love to work with you to energize your customers with wireless power. Please come see us in the Tech Stadium. Thank you.